Hello, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware, that we were doing revision of your GK book. So, children, in that row today, we are going to revise our useful plants. Useful means the plants which have more than one uses and which can be used, and these plants are found at a home, and we can use these plants in different purposes. So today these plants are related to medicinal uses, related to our household uses, and many more things. And all these things of plants related to them, uh, that will create these plants quite useful. So here the plants which we are going to talk about. So in that row, the first plant is your neem tree. As you can see in the picture, that is neem tree. Now various parts of the neem tree are used to make different medicines. So first of all, the very important thing that is related to neem. So neem tree are used to make different medicines. Different parts of neem tree like leaf, and then we will be having that stem of neem tree, and different that bark of neem tree. All these parts are used to make different medicines. Neem is very good for our skin. So from neem leaves we are making that syrup also, and that safi syrup which you have heard, that is formed by these neem leaves only, and which is very good for the purity of our blood. Whatever kind of impurity is there in your blood, that can be cured by that uh, syrup of neem. So neem medicines are also used. Neem oil is also used to remove different microorganism, different diseases, different insects also. Even neem leaf, we are going to keep it in rice, wheat, or whatever we want to store, na. So if we'll keep this neem leaves in that, na, so that will not caught by any microorganism or insects. So that is again an important use of neem leaves. So that is a part of neem tree. Now neem twigs are used to brush teeth. Now twigs means what? Twigs means दातुन. सो अभी भी आप अगर जाओगे विलेज एरिया में, इफ़ यू विल गो एंड सी ओवर देयर, तो आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे, those who are doing brushing of the teeth with this neem trees, neem twigs. So twigs ka what is the meaning of twigs? That is datun. They फाउंड की जो नीम ट्विग्स है या दातुन जो होती है नीम की जो दातुन होती है, दैट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर द टीथ. वो टीथ के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. एंड इफ़ वी कंटिन्यूसली डू द ब्रश विद दैट नीम ट्विग्स, सो दैट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर आर टीथ. वो हमारे टीथ के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो दैट इज़ अगेन एन इम्पॉर्टेंट यूज़ ऑफ नीम ट्री. Now, neem leaves are used to ward off insects. Neem leaves, as I told you in the beginning only, कि many part of neem trees are useful, and this is again an important part of your neem leaves. That is, neem leaves are used to brush the teeth. Then neem leaves are used to ward off insect. Ward off insect मतलब insects को भगाने में they are quite useful. Now they are also eaten in many parts in India, of India. See, a neem leaves also, the people, those who are suffering from diabetes or high sugar or such kind of a disease, तो वो नीम लीव्स को ऐसे भी खाते हैं टू मेंटेन द लेवल ऑफ शुगर इन देयर बॉडी। तो अगर शुगर ज़्यादा ना हो जाए बॉडी में, और स्पेशली इन द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डायबिटीज़, डायबिटीज़ मतलब जिसकी बॉडी में देर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम व्हेन द लेवल ऑफ शुगर विल बी हाई, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं दैट पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम डायबिटीज़ और दैट पर्सन इज डायबिटिक। तो वहाँ से आप याद रखो कि डायबिटिक मतलब क्या है। डायबिटिक मीन्स जिसकी बॉडी में शुगर का लेवल क्या होता है, ज़्यादा हो जाता है। और उससे क्या होता है कि जो उनकी बॉडी है, सम टाइम इट हैपन्स कि अगर शुगर बढ़ा, देन सम पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी स्टॉप्स वर्किंग। इवन अगर शुगर का लेवल हाई है, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू मेक इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर आईज ऑल्सो, ऑन अदर ऑर्गन ऑल्सो, मल्टीपल ऑर्गन फेलियर विल ऑल्सो बी देयर। तो उस शुगर लेवल को आपकी बॉडी में मेंटेन करने के लिए few of the person those who are eating these neem leaves also। तो अभी हमने क्या कर लिया, डिफरेंट वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द नीम ट्री आर यूज टू मेक डिफरेंट मेडिसिन। डिफरेंट मेडिसिन बनाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। देन नीम twigs आर यूज टू ब्रश द टीथ। देन नीम leaves आर यूज टू ward off insects, and they are also eaten in many parts of India। So again, all these 4 points that is related to neem trees are very important। Whatever uses we have done na, that is related to neem tree, all these uses are very important, so you all will remember these uses। And after that we are going to move to the next one, that is your coconut tree। Now, hopefully, might be you have not seen the coconut tree, but nowadays in northern India also, in northern area also, plenty of coconut we are getting here। So here almost all parts of a coconut tree are useful. That each part of a coconut tree are useful। Now, what are the different part of coconut tree? First, the trunk. Now the trunk is used to make furniture. Now next we eat the coconut fruit and it gives us oil. Oil we are getting from that raw coconut only. Also coconut water makes for a cool refreshing drink। So this coconut water is quite often available in our city also। Earlier it was not there, earlier only one or two were there, but nowadays you can get that coconut water from anywhere, कहीं से भी आपको मिल जाएगा, you can take that। Now coconut water क्या है, अगर आपकी बॉडी में like it happens कि sometime we are not drinking water properly, winter के season में प्यास नहीं लगती है, and then we are not drinking water, then what will happen in that case, जब हमें क्या होता है कि हम पानी नहीं पीते बिकॉज सर्दी का टाइम है, प्यास नहीं लगी, तो वी हैव नॉट ड्रैंक द वाटर। अब होता क्या, योर बॉडी इज गेटिंग डेफिशिएंट विद दैट वाटर लेवल, तो वो बॉडी को एक प्रोवाइड कराने के लिए, एक सूदनेस प्रोवाइड कराने के लिए, आपकी बॉडी में वाटर लेवल को मेंटेन करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर्ड दिस कोकोनट वाटर। Again, this coconut water is a cool and refreshing drink, and each part of coconut plant is useful। This we have the done that trunk is used to make furniture like small stool, small table can be made। Then coconut fiber, जो आप नारियल आप लेते हो ना भगवान जी को, जब भी पूजा करते हैं तो आप उनको भोग लगाने के लिए यू आर टेकिंग दैट नारियल ना, तो नारियल का आउटर कवरिंग आप देखोगे दैट इज ऑफ ब्राउन कलर, and that brown color covering is known as coir। Now this brown color coconut fiber is called coir and can be woven to make ropes and mats। ठीक है, coir से बन गया and can be woven to make ropes and mats। वूवन मतलब उसको हम बना सकते हैं, वूवन मतलब उसको हम स्टिच करना इनटू रोप्स एंड मैट्स। तो इससे जो कोकोनट का कॉयर है, फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन मेक दैट रोप्स ऑल्सो एंड मैट्स ऑल्सो। So that is again an important function of coconut tree. Again coconut is an important part of your dry fruit also. तो ड्राई फ्रूट का भी important part हो गया. And by drinking this cool and refreshing drink of coconut water, then there is a chance if there is any infection in your body that can be killed, and your body will become uh, more strong to fight with all these things. So this coconut tree is again an important one. Coconut tree बहुत important है, that you all will remember. Now we'll come to next. Every part of the banana tree can be used. Each part of banana tree. Have you seen banana tree? उसका जो ऐसे ट्रंक होता है ना, that contains that fleshy kind of a material. वो एकदम ऐसे खट्टा मीठा सा होता है, which we can eat also. So every part of the banana tree can be used. The trunk, flowers and fruits. The trunk means the lower portion. Flowers and fruit can be eaten. Now banana leaves are used as plates. So this banana leaves are used as plates. Na? This you all have seen in many restaurants also. Especially the restaurants which we are found in southern India. जो भी साउथ में जैसे लेट्स से मैं ये आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, दैट इज़ व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ प्लांट्स. तो इसमें बनाना ट्री आर क्वाइट अवेलेबल इन द साउदर्न एरिया ऑल्सो. एंड स्पेशली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस state, so here every part of the banana tree can be used. Now the trunk, flower and fruits can be eaten. Now banana, any tree, whichever tree you have, these trees are having only these part: trunk, flowers and fruits and roots which is inside the soil. तो ट्रंक क्या करता है, ट्रंक what the trunk is doing ना, we'll cut out the trunk and then we can use it as furniture. Flower जो है that will convert it into fruit, and then fruit can be eaten. Fine, वो तोड़ करके हम रख सकते हैं, and then we will ripen it, उसको पकने देंगे and then we will eat it. So banana leaves are used as plates. So this also done by many western many restaurant also, but that banana leaves, क्योंकि बनाना ट्रीज जो थे वो पहले से ही हमारे पास बहुत सारे थे. स्पेशली इन साउदर्न इंडिया वी विल हैव plenty of banana trees. So what we will do here, तो जो वहाँ के रेस्टोरेंट हैं एंड द ओनर ऑफ other street food and all, so they were serving the food in banana leaves. Now these banana leaves are used to make plates. Fine. So this banana that plates which are the plates which are made up of banana leaves na, so that is a little bit costlier, but that will be used by each and everyone. So these three plants are very important. The first one is neem tree, second coconut tree and the third one is banana tree. So what you have to learn, you have to learn all the important parts which I am telling you right now. आप बनाना ट्री का आप पूरा पैराग्राफ नहीं याद करोगे. यू जस्ट लर्न इट दैट banana tree leaves are used as plates. Then we can eat their flowers and fruits also. Fine. So that is 2 3 4 maximum, 2 or 3. So we'll come to the next plant, that is henna plant. Now a reddish brown dye is obtained from the henna plant. So henna plant most commonly you all have seen in your surrounding. इसको हिना प्लांट को इन हिंदी इट विल बी कॉल्ड लाइक दैट इज क्या कहते हैं, हिना प्लांट दैट इज मेहंदी का प्लांट. फाइन. मेहंदी प्लांट इज कॉल्ड बाय मैनी people, and these mehendi or henna plants are used to make to color hands, hair, fingernails and fabric. All these we can do it with henna plant. Next, that is latex or rubber plant. Rubber plant is again an important thing, that when a cut is made in the bark of the rubber tree, latex, a milky fluid, flows out. Now, this fluid is collected and used to make sheets of rubber from which objects like tires, shoe, soles, and balls are made. So again, this rubber plant is again very important, that we are getting latex from rubber plant. Latex is what, as you can see in the picture, एक white color का liquid है which is coming out from the trunk. अब ट्रंक पे क्या करते हैं, विच एवर बनाना ट्री वी वर हैविंग, और ये जो रबर प्लांट वाला जो भी ट्रीज है, व्हाट वी विल डू इट, इसमें हम ट्रंक में विल मेक अ होल एंड देन वी विल पुट अ स्टिक इनसाइड इट, उसको होल को ओपन ही रहने देते हैं, एंड एज द प्लांट इज गोइंग टू कीप ऑन प्रोसेसिंग दिस fluid, that is milky fluid, that will come out from that only. So that is known as latex. Now this rubber tree, or the liquid which comes out from a bark of a rubber tree, so that is very important to remember, that that white liquid is known as latex. Now a milk fluid flows out, that is latex. Now this fluid is collected and was used to make sheets of rubber from which objects like tires, shoes, soles and balls are made. All these things that is related to rubber plant, that is very important. So this you all will do it. Now we'll come to the quick quiz. What is the quick quiz? Did you know that chocolate is made from the beans of the cocoa tree? Yes, we know that. Fine. That chocolate is made from the beers of cocoa plant. Now, can you identify these common used medicinal plants? And what are the importance of these important plants? Now, pick your answer from the help box given below. So you have to identify the picture. Can you identify these commonly used medicinal plants? First one is very important. Now first one is quite important, that is your tulsi. Now if you are going to get some kind of a problem and cough and cold, so tulsi, plant of tulsi is very beneficial in cough and cold. Now we'll come to next picture, that is pudina. Now pudina is very good for the problems that is related to digestion. Fine. If digestion is not proper, then they won't be able to this compile that one, that why, what is the use of this number 2, that is pudina, and number of disease will be that pudina, and what will be the number of, that is current affairs. Okay, so this pick your answer from the help box. Tulsi, again an important. Number 2 is pudina. So pudina again very important for the diseases that is related to your digestion. If the digestion is proper, then you don't require this pudina. But many of times that in summers, basically we will be having this kind of a issue, that in summers few of the person is having that kind of a problem. Now that's why only that we were revising all these, which we have already done in the previous video. Now pick your answers from the help box given below. So what is the answer of first that you can tell? That is tulsi. Number 2 is pudina, and number 3 is amla. So these three plants of tulsi are there. So now children, what we are going to do it next, these first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. So 6 fees are pending of your. So you just tell me that what you have to do. You have to start the class or you're going to finish your dues. Fine. So Pudina, and then last but not the least, uh, that is that you are supposed to amla. So amla tree also, you will make it separately, and that tree can be printed out. Now awesome animals. Awesome animal is the next chapter which we are supposed to do it. So let's start with the first question. So the first question is what? That is the same. Okay. So now question number 2. Now this is the largest spider. Which one is the largest spider? Obviously mammoth. Mammoth is the largest spider. Now this is the world's slowest mammal. So which animal is the slowest one? That is, which animal is the slowest? Fine. Now we'll come to number 3, that this is the largest spider. Largest spider. The largest spider is what? That is tarantula. Now we'll come to number 2. This is the world's slowest mammal. That is sloth. Now number 3 is these sharks have heads shaped like hammer which help them to find food in the sea. Yes, these sharks have head shaped like hammer. That's why these sharks are known as hammer-headed shark. And these hammer-headed sharks are quite important, which are very helpful to find food in the sea. So children, that we have done. Now this earlier useful plants we have finished in this video, and now I'm going to I've already started with this awesome animals, and I'm reading it out, reading the questions, and then I'm going to make you understand the answer. Now number 3, these sharks that I have explained. Number 4, these lizards are best known for changing their body colors to blend in with their environment. That is chameleon. Chameleon is well known for changing the body colors. Now we'll come to number 5. These animals cannot jump. Yes, elephant cannot jump. Fine. If that animal is going to try, then elephant will be fall at the back. So elephant cannot fly, or these animals cannot jump. So elephant cannot jump. Now tidbits is very important. Penguins have webbed feet which help them to swim. Now they also use their short paddle like wings to swim. Now penguins have short feathers and a thick layer of fat to keep them warm. So these are the tidbits that is related to your penguin. And again very important that penguin has webbed feet which help them to swim. Now they also use their short paddle, which is working like wings to swim. Now penguin have short feathers and a thick layer of fat to keep them warm. So now we'll come to next page, that is number 6. These animals have no teeth but can swallow up to 35,000 ants in a day with the help of their long tongues. So this animal or this these ants are known as ant eaters. Ant eaters. So 35,000 ants were eating in a day. So here the name of the exercise is, or name of the chapter is, that is ants in a day. Now we'll come to number 7. This animal's name means little armored one, which refers to the overlapping plates covering its back, legs, head, and tail. So these animals' name means little armored one, which refers to the overlapping plates covering its back, legs, head, and tail. So this parent, this animal, just because of its structure, it is known as little armored one. Fine, because on the back of this insect we have this overlapping of plates. So this whole chapter, this whole page that you are going to remember, that is, animals are known as little armored one, and which refer to the overlapping of plates which covering its backs, legs, head, and tail. Now we'll come to number 8. These animals give off a bad smell when they are threatened. Threatened means डर. ये कौन से animals हैं which are going to give a bad smell when they are threatened? So that we have removed. Now number 9. These animals can stand erect on their hind legs. No. Now number 10. This animal has a long nose and looks like a large pig with a trunk. So if sometime what happened, if you are going to get it signed, your that particular page, and if that page will not be get signed, so no problem, later on ma'am can sign. Now this animal has a long nose and looks like a large pig with a trunk. So again is very important, long nose and looks like a large pig with a trunk. So that also number 10 you are going to remember. Now tidbits, that giraffe have long necks to help them eat from tall trees. Now they are the tallest living animals. They have long tongues so that they can pick the smallest leaves of plants. So that is your tidbits. So this page only we are going to do it today. I hope that page is quite clear. That is awesome animal. This question quiz is given in your book itself. From there also you are going to revise. So now children, what we are going to do it next. Now this we have already finished with the first chapter. What was the first chapter? This one, that is first, this chapter is awesome animals, and before this we have this useful plants. So useful plants, in useful plants also we have done many different plants, and hardly uh, they are they all are very important, all the land and wall, all and everything is very important which is related to inverted inter-school competition. Okay, so children, here I am going to finish the class. So what children, what you are going to do it, that you are going to revise both these pages, useful plants and as well as useful plants, and after that you are going to revise that awesome animals. So that revision you will do it, and if you have any doubt, that you will mark in your book, and that we will discuss in our class. So here children, I am going to finish the video for today. I hope you all have enjoyed the video and how the plants are getting more useful, and then what are the uses of different parts of plants, that also we have seen. So that all you will complete it. So here I'm going to finish the class. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.